Welcome to the Nine Dimes Project. This is the last video in our series, The Money Machine. Also, the last video of the month. All right, so this one is your first $1,000 month. Your first $1,000 month changes everything. Not because of the money, but because of what it proves. It proves you can create income on your own terms without a boss deciding your worth. This is the final video in our Money Machine series, as I mentioned, and we'll show you what to build and how to price it. Today, we're going to give you the exact roadmap, week by week, dollar by dollar, to hit $1,000 in a single month. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan and zero excuses. So be aware, we're not financial advisors. This isn't financial advice, but your first $1,000 month is closer than you think. Let's get into it. So let's break it down. So it's easier to understand. $1,000 a month is $250 a week, equals $50 per day. And you need to generate, that's like I said, you only need to generate $50 a day. So $1,000 month looks like in different models. In freelance services, 2 clients at $500 each, or 4 at $250. Digital products, 67 sales at $15 each, or 20 sales at $50. Retainer clients, 2 clients at $500 a month. You hit your $1,000 month. Just like that. Content and products, a mix of ad revenue, affiliate income, and product sales. Pick the model that fits your skill and build toward it. So why $1,000 a month is a magic number? It proves the concept. If you can make $1,000, you can make $3,000. It covers real expenses, phone, gas, food, and savings. It compounds. You invest $1,000 a month at 8% for 30 years, $1.5 million. Just like that. This one milestone changed your entire financial trajectory. All right, so here's the roadmap, week by week. Week 1 is your foundation. Finalize your offer. What exactly do you intend to sell, and to whom, and at what price? Create or update your portfolio with your best 3 to 5 pieces of work. Set up payment systems. It could be PayPal, Venmo, Business, Stripe, whatever. Cash App. Write your outreach message template. By the end of week 1, you are ready to sell. So week 2, outreach blitz. Days 8 to 14. Send 10 outreach messages per day. So that's 50 total in a week. And then mix it up. Warm contacts, local businesses, social media DMs, online communities. Post daily about your service on social media. Follow up on every message that didn't get a response. By the end of week 2, you should have 2 to 5 conversations happening. Close and deliver. One sec. Yeah. So convert conversations into paying clients. Send contracts, as we learned in a past video, and collect deposits. Start delivering your work. Fast turnaround builds your reputation. Ask satisfied clients for testimonials and referrals. By the end of week 3, you should have $300 to $600 in revenue. In week 4, scale to $1,000. Continue outreach. Don't stop because you're busy. Upsell existing clients. Now that is done, you want me to also handle a related service. Just like that. Activate referrals from week 3 clients. If you're short of 1,000 of the 1K, offer a flash deal to your network. 3 spots available at such and such price this week only. By the end of week 4, you'll have $1,000 earned. All right, forgot where I was, but I'll repeat week 3 again. Close and deliver, convert conversations into paying clients, send contracts, collect deposits, start delivering work. Fast turnaround builds your reputation, and ask satisfied clients for testimonials and referrals. So you have $300 to $600 by the end of week 3. In week 4, continue your outreach. Don't stop because you're busy. Upsell existing clients. Now that this is done, you want me to also handle another service. Activate referrals from week 3 clients. If you're short of $1,000, offer a flash deal to your network. 3 spots available at this price this week only. By the end of week 4, you have $1,000 or more earned. After 1K, what changes and what comes next? What do you do with your first $1,000? Don't blow it. This is seed money for your future. $500 for your emergency fund or your high yield savings account. $300 to reinvest into your business, better tools, a course, paid ads, and $200 to reward yourself. You earned it, but stay disciplined. Treat your business income like a business, not a windfall. Systems that turn $1,000 into $3,000. Document what worked this month, which outreach, which platforms, which offers. Double down on what's working. Cut what's not working. Raise prices 10 to 20% for new clients. Add a second offer or upsell to increase revenue per client. 1K to 3K isn't 3 times harder. It's 1.5 times harder with better systems. The mindset after your first 1K month, you are no longer someone who wants to make money on the side. You are a business owner with paying clients and proof of concept. Most people will never do what you just did. Your first 1K month is the hardest. The second one is just repeating the process. Where this series takes you next, the hiring playbook showed you how to get hired. The freelance blueprint showed you how to work for yourself. And the money machine showed you how to build real income. So next month, we're going deeper, protecting your money, building wealth, and setting up systems that make it all automatic. So don't forget, we have our free wealth building tools, links in the description. So are you committing to hit a $1,000 this month? Drop I'm in. Let's hold each other accountable. All right, so that wraps up July. We'll see you in August, a whole new set of building wealth. All right. We appreciate you. Keep building. We'll see you next month.